Starting today, I want to build my complete AI product. So this will look like a finance product, which will have some all the functionality of managing your personal transactions, managing your personal credit cards, managing your manual transactions, managing your EMIs, and whatever the financial instrument you are investing in, everything you will gonna manage by this particular application. So, um, what we need to do with building from the AI from scratch. So some things keep in mind, like this will be complete AI. We will just utilize every AI product which we can use upon, and from the designing, from the coding, everything we will do with the AI only. So this will be a finance app, and I'm planning for building the services for that. I'm planning to build a design for the finance application. I'm trying to build the complete Flutter application, which is will be like a Android application for that, and everything that we can do with AI only. So from the scratch, what we have to do with the prompting, the prompt, like the complete prompt design that you will help to design your models, to design your key points for your application, what things you are going to build in the coming days, right? So what I need a personal transaction manager, uh, EMIs manager, investment manager I needed, and for suppose bank bank account managers, and credit card manager that we needed. So this will be a key parts we needed. So this is all like a management, right? You can create your own EMIs, and with the calendar entries you can create your own investments, like where you have invested upon, like any stocks and mutual funds you have invested in. You have various like bank accounts, you have various credit cards, and you can list it on your application itself. So this can be the web app, this can be the Flutter application as well. What we are gonna do, first we have to design the application. We are gonna use the programming language, which is like a Python fast API framework for the backend designing, and Flutter or Flutter for like a front end, you can say, or app setup. So what we need for the particular application designing, first we need the key modules, right? So first we need to do the proper prompting, like what we want to do a design from the our application, right? We need the design. So for designing we need some kind of AI tool that we want to use for that. So we can use like we have the tool called Google Stitch, you can say. Google Stitch we have right now, and you can directly use that, right? So for the designing the Figma level designing, the ape level designing, also the Chrome level or web app level design, you can do that directly with this Stitch. And before that, even we need the perfect prompt. We don't know how to prompt, you can directly generate a prompt from the chat GPT itself. So prompt you can use like generate with chat GPT. Okay, so I need, okay, so I'm writing here a rough prompt, right? A row level text format prompt, and then I will rephrase that prompt with ChatGPT. So what I need a app which will have this features. Okay, so this is my rough prompt, right? And I'm gonna doing put into the ChatGPT, do rephrase and give me proper prompt so that I can give this to design tool called Google Stitch for me. Okay, so I'm gonna shift it now. You can see here. Okay, so ChatGPT is giving two responses. You can decide what's your like actual helpful for you. So this rephrase like personal transaction manager, EMI manager, investment manager, and some points it is giving to us credit card manager. And in the second response, it is giving some more detailing. So I'm just gonna to take this response. I prefer this response. Okay, so I just taking this a complete prompt, right? I am putting to the Google Stitch. I am taking this as a right now the app design only. I'm just submit it. Let's find it out how the Stitch is designing for us. App screens. So you can see the Google Stitch is actually generating screens for us. A multiple level of screens are already designed for us. You can see here. And before it is designing, I guess we can see like what things we have achieved till now. We are planning to build a product from scratch with AI. A product called the Finance app. It has like this kind of features, the technologies and the tech stacks which we want to prefer right now. Okay, the design we will do with AI, prompt will do with AI, and here it is doing right now generating. So just wait a couple of time. So you can see multiple screens it has already detected and creating a design for us, a mobile app design right now. So we have the option, right? We can choose a web app or mobile app, depends on our needed. So on the basis of that you can design just. Okay, and we are gonna use the cursor. Okay, for coding coding part. So we have ChatGPT, we have the cloud, we have the cursor, multiple tools, but I personally prefer like cursor. AI is the best for like you can say the coding, you can see the design and deployment of the application. So even we can decide like what many answers you want to get from the like ChatGPT, because the AI will work on the tokens, and you don't want to exceed your limit of tokens that you want to receive from the AI, right? So I will show you how you will give the proper prompting, and on the basis of that how will you get the proper answer from that AI itself. Okay, so here you can see it gives a massive uh, a very fine-tuned transition application, and you can see it gives a personal finance tracker, a complete web mobile app design, right? You can see here it has like total balance, it has quick actions, money manager, recent transactions, and everything, right? You have these transitions, you have these multiple transitions, and the total in the October month, and it is giving you the percentage increase and decreases. It can see show you the loans, right? Loans has like multiple durations date you can select, and you can see um, all the loans and pending and paid loans. You can see here it has the great UI as per I know till now, and you can see how many different AI stocks, mutual fund, gold, and It has the asset allocation chart as well. It has the stock list mutual fund, and here are the quick actions for a mobile application, right? It has very well designed fine tuning, direct figma level design. You can just generate it in a couple of minutes only. So you can see this is the power of AI. If you are going to design this by your hands, it will take a lot of time, but with Google Stitch it has generated in a couple of minutes only. And you can see a couple of suggestions also. Google Stitch is providing to us, right? But what we will gonna show you, like we will go with this design because it is seems to be perfect, a proper with good start. Okay, now what you can do, you can take this screenshots and you can put it on the cursor for like that will generate a standalone application for you. Okay, so what I gonna do, I will just start a standalone application, a fresh start application with a single image right now. So here what I want to do, I will just want to screenshot this one, first one. Okay, okay, I taken the screenshot. Now I will go to the cursor. Okay, this is the blank directory that I have already created, and what I want to give a cursor to prep a prompt. Okay, so I will design a prompt right now. So I want a mobile app, uh, which called a personal finance tracker. Okay, just give it some kind of highlighted, which will have front end as uh, backend as Python. Why I'm choosing the fast API framework here? Because personally I believe like a fast API framework is too much good as per the efficiency, as per the technology that it provides, and a synchronous request that it provides. So you can see it has the great features. You can say front end as Flutter because it is a hybrid and we can develop an application in a single way for the Android and iOS for both scenarios. Okay, okay, so these are the take stacks. You can take I want, and you can define the MongoDB. You can define the database that you want. Database I want right now is a MongoDB. Okay, okay, okay. So this is the text text I want. I have defined here. Generate a front end. Okay, generate basic structure of both front end back end without DB for now. Why I'm mentioning it, because just want to see like how it is generating a structure. Okay, and I'm I'm attaching a dashboard sketch design for the you need to just okay, okay. So what I'm gonna do here, I just want to attach a screenshot which I have taken right now. You can see this is the screenshot I have put it. Okay, so for now the prompt will be simple. I want mobile app personal finance tracker which will have tech. I want front end Flutter and generate basic structure of both front and back end without DP for now. I'm attaching a dashboard screen design for the Flutter app. You need to just make it the same, and just I'm pressing the enter. Okay, so you can see it is planning the next moves, the cursor, and keep it will take some couple of time, I think, to start the processes and do the processes, and we'll wait for a second. So you can see the creating the Flutter front end and the fast API backend structure and implementing the dashboard scheme to match the design. Now it has started to coding. You can see how fast it is. It has created the appli. It has also created the front end folder here. You can see here. It is creating the complete code. You can see multiple component it is creating. So here it is. It has created the screens. It is creating the widgets. You can see in the left, and every code is ready for our to use. It is just automated everything. We are not doing anything manually. We are just providing the instructions to the cursor and the screenshot that we want as it is designed from the cursor. Everything is done automated. So you can see it is creating multiple monthly budgets, quick actions, recent transitions. Everything it has done from automated. You can see it is providing the readme file also for your instructions. Okay, now the libraries, now it is creating the backend. You can see the backend folder here. It has created the requirement applications main.py file, which has all the configurations already present. Everything in a minute direct. It is now building the APIs. You can see here it has created the models, routes, everything is done, and it is creating the APIs also. So whatever API we need to be done for this application, it is creating automatically everything. You can see how fast it is. Now the structure is ready, readme also ready for the backend. Now backend is ready, front end is ready. We have complete application structure right now integrated. It is setting the key techno files as well, so it is just completely ready for pushing to production as well, production level code. And yeah, now it is checking if anything error or verifying the project structure to complete, adding flutter analysis options and creating the environment example. And yeah, just some level of checks it is doing automatically. Mhm. Perfect, everything is ready. You can see the feature it is implemented Flutter app with dashboard UI by the provided design, dark mode theme with green accents, and all UI components from the design, fast API backend. So next step is front end pubget. So everything is ready. Now what I will provide the instructions to run this application on my Chrome app right now. Okay, now it is asking me to run a command flutter pubget, which is actually used for running your application locally and building your application. I just provided the instructions. It is doing automatically everything. We just have to accept its commands that he want to run on, like on the system. Okay, this is it. It is creating the environment variables for Python as well. Now you can see how it is, how easy it is to create an application, a complete mobile app itself. Yeah. Now our application is running. We will see if anything error is there or something. Now backend is also running. You can see how much it could it look like right now. So this application is developed. You can see it is responsive as well. You can see here all the actions, everything as per the design that I have given. You can see multiple pages also, it's already there. Yeah. So everything is designed right now, fully functional. Not fully functional, but yeah, as per the UI it is perfectly. And what UI we have given, we have given this. You can see it is at least 95% smash already automatic. Nothing is there. Everything as it is. You can see how good it look like. So this is just a first day of developing the complete application with the AI. So in the coming series, I will just provide more into this going forward. Keep it dynamic, the complete application, how we will deploy this application, how we will deploy this on the Play Store as well. So just like, subscribe, and follow our channel. And you can like this video, you can share this video, you can just subscribe to this channel, and we will keep it posted like going forward this kind of videos. Thank you so much.